What's up, Redneck Nation? And today I'm going to be playing Survival. And I'm going to call this series RedneckCraft. So let's get into it. Now, mind you, the only reason why I am allowing cheats on... Actually, never mind. Actually, yeah, I'm going to keep them on. The only reason why I'm going to put cheats on is to where I can keep my inventory if I die. Some of you call it cheating, but that's just how I'm gonna do it because I really hate it whenever I lose my stuff. And then I just fucking quit the world. So let's call it RedneckCraft. There we go. Now let's start the world. Sorry I'm moving the mic so much. It's just like not aligned right on me. Okay. Here we are. It's so laggy. I don't know. There is a shit ton of chickens right here. Oakwood's my favorite. I don't know why, but I just love Oakwood. Yes. Give me all of it. I earned an achievement. Let's get a bunch of wood. Okay, how am I just now getting that achievement? I punched like probably 6 trees before this. I really like this world. I don't want that. I'm gonna get some more, and then we're gonna go mining. I hear a skeleton. Oops, I didn't want to run. I need to go back there where all those chickens are at. Where'd those chickens go? There they are. I have to sneeze, but I can't. Like, I hate that feeling where you have to sneeze, but you just can't. I'm gonna pick. There we go. Let's mine one more tree. So we don't run out of wood. Alright. Come. Give me that. Did I get it? I got it. Yes. Come on. Where are you? I hear more of them. I saw a lot of them, but... But where? Where are you bastards? Come on. Where the hell are they? I just saw a shit ton of them. There's one. There's more. I know there's more. I want feathers too. Come on. A cave. With coal. Sorry, I've had this chew in for about an hour and it's getting all mushy. Now I'm having to spit a lot. And I don't want to taste it in my mouth because it's Stoker's. Come on. I'm just gonna go ahead and take it out. Alright. It's still in my mouth. Alright. And I found iron too, so. Let's get a. Actually, I need a lot of this. Oh, damn it, there's more coal. Now I have to get it. Wait. I'm still not finished with this. This wooden pickaxe is bugging the fuck out of me. Oh my god, I can't stand it. I can't stand it. Jesus Christ. Alright. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Wow. Okay. This might be the time where I sneeze. Oh god, now I gotta sneeze real bad. Come on. Damn! What the? I thought it stayed up there. Alright. I got all that. Now, I'm gonna make a furnace. And some torches. Come on. I'm stuck in here. Son of a bitch! That was bad. I even heard myself that time. Did I really just make 2 furnaces? Oh my fucking god. The recording stopped. I'm not sure when it stopped. So I'm gonna pause the video and see whenever it stopped. Come on, it won't fucking pause. Okay, I saw whenever the recording stopped. And oh my fucking god. You know what happened right here? I did all of this off camera. Good god. I need to cook this too. Damn. I didn't even realize the recording stopped. That's why Bandicam is shitty. Okay? I fucking hate Bandicam. Oh my god, I'm mining for some iron. Oh my god. I gotta sneeze so bad. If you're wondering why I have more feathers, and more eggs, and more chicken, I went outside to kill more chickens. Not very long, but that's what happened. I'm gonna mine with this. It ain't worth... My pickaxe is already almost broke. I need to make a new one. Alright. Sorry. Okay. I'm gonna use the rest of this. Now I'm just gonna mine straight. I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing anymore. I need to find some sheep. Well, I'm gonna end the video here. Make sure you remember to like, subscribe, comment, favorite, and that's it. I feel like this ain't over. This can't be over. Yeah, it's over. I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna be over. I kinda wanna stay, but... Ah, fuck it, it's